What if you could run a faceless YouTube channel about AI without ever recording yourself or writing a script? That's exactly what I do, and today I'm breaking down the full automated workflow behind this channel. I drop a topic into a spreadsheet, and within seconds, Claude writes a full structured script. No blank pages. That script goes to ElevenLabs for my custom AI voice, and then HeyGen syncs that audio perfectly to my avatar. I'm a fictional AI host that looks and sounds the same every episode. It's consistent, professional, and scalable. While the video renders, OpenArt generates a branded, eye-catching thumbnail automatically based on the title. This entire video was made without me touching a single editing tool, no cameras, no manual cuts. If you want to build this system for yourself, subscribe. Because next time, I'm showing you exactly how to set it up. My name is Dahlia Rae, and I thank you for connecting with me on Bot Built Wealth. You can access links to all the tools I used in the description, as well as connect with me on all platforms. I'll see you soon.